Hello, YouTube.
Hey, what is up, guys? It's MC Fireworks here. Oh! Hello there! I didn't see you! Alright, hello? Hello, hello?
Guys, welcome back to another episode.
Hello! It's MC Fireworks here back for a video!
Hello guys, welcome back to another video.
Oh my god, what have I created? What is this? Look at the little turtles! Oh my god. What is that? What is that? Is it? What is that? Oh my god. Ah! It disappeared! Oh! Yeah, what is it?
Scored a 31.
31. 80% of those diagnosed with autism scored 32 or higher. Okay, we're good. No way! I'm top 160 world on Builder Base! No way! Oh my god, I don't believe it. I don't have my He's biting me! Help! Help! Kill him! Kill him! Oh, I'm drawing first. Alright, alright.
A few moments later.
Holy shit, this is awful.
I'm here to admit that you were my medicine. Oh, love, I couldn't quit. And I'm down on my knees again.
Type in a number. Let's do, I don't know. Let's do 8 times 9. Yeah, look at this. Hold up. Yeah, no, okay, I'm done. Run! Ah!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
He's chasing me! Ah! He's chasing me! He's biting me! Ah! Help! Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! Knock his fucking ass out! Shoot him! Please!
Dude,
It's crazy.
I went with someone to go buy some NyQuil with somebody, and we were there, and the lady comes up to me and goes, "Are you 18?" And I said, "Maybe." And she goes, "Well, you can't buy that if you're not 18. And I looked at her, she looked at me, and she goes, "Get out of my store." I said, "I'm 18. She goes, "No, you're not." And I pulled out my license.
Maybe.
I bet she felt real silly.
She felt stupid.
Well, that's it, homies. No way, I'm champ 3, let's go! Oh my god, 16 kills, are you serious?
Back to that one tunnel. Oh shit!
Oh, I can see him! Oh my god! Oh my god, he's right on the table! Oh my god, he's under the table with me! What the he's kissing me! What the fuck is this? What? I'm trying to speak his language!
Like I found where you're sleeping.
He's in the dog bed?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yo! What the frick? I don't remember making this. Oh my gosh.
Here, give it to me.
What was that noise? Oh fuck
Better
no.
hide.
Oh fuck no. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god! And we should get 72, right? So it's gonna display over here. So we have 64 plus 8, which is indeed 72. And on the 7-segment display, we get 72. Wow, that is impressive. Have a mech here. This is just a build mod. It's a little toad house. Indominus Rex. Oh my gosh. Tech Aid TV. Shield generator. This is the house. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Oh, I couldn't quit, and I'm down on my knees again, asking for nothing. Thank you for the happiest year of my life.